all that stuff, they had the proposal for 6 months. They, no, we don't wanna do it, we don't wanna do it, we don't wanna do it. No, they don't wanna spend the money, we can't make the elevator, if we put all the shoes and we can't, the service contract is to work with what you have. We can't order equipment.
Yesterday, the fire department called two times. Last night, at 10:30, the fire department called again.
Well, that elevator, yeah.
There's talk on people inside.
That elevator should have been taken out yesterday. You know,
2 times.
we need to. It's the same problem.
Yesterday, you technician comes and the problem for
Elevator.
Hey.
We're not going to put it in service until we put the doors in.
Right now it's out of service.
Yeah. We should have left it out of service when it was going down last week.
That's
So, I mean, just so you know, they ordered the door. The doors will be here next week. We'll install the doors in elevator A.
Okay.
And I'm gonna sit here and pray that when we put these doors in, that's gonna be the.
when you say
Right.
everything. But when one a decision, one have to one part in the field. Right now, I go yesterday for the Chinese. I see behind the door, the frame is very, very bad. When you
But
change,
that's
when you change
right.
all part of the door,
The frame and the door. I'm not a mechanic, so I can't tell you when we're doing the doors. I have to look at the proposal. What's going to be? Is it the frame and everything else? But the door package you have is very extensive that they're installing. It's a big project. So everything should work perfect. When you put new doors in the door package, it'll solve 90% of the problems. Because that's why they're going out.
Only door is the trash, rolling.
No, I don't have the proposal. I can't. I have to. You know, it's a door package. It's not just one door. It's a lot more than that.
Okay.
This should this door.
I say tomorrow, Steven control me and go see every part you have to check.
Okay.
You say next week, so?
Yeah. I mean, the other problem that they don't have the money to pay for it. They don't have the money to pay. So we're going to install the doors. We've got $5,000, and we need when they're installed, it's $20,000. And I understand you guys are tight on money, but look, you know, the elevators, they're number one. God forbid somebody got something yesterday, had a heart attack.
Yeah.
So, look, we're not here. We want the elevators to work, and I want the elevators to work just as much as you do.
Yeah.
You know, I don't want. We want to have a good.
I have no problem.
I know.
Yesterday was too much.
Before I started here,